And can you also tell me a little bit about the global reach of or the global split between your 3 gigawatts of production? What percent of that is India right now? How much of it is outside of India? What are the key other markets
Yeah,
beyond the US and India? And how is that going to also change in the coming years?
yeah. So it varies, and it varies based on what contracts we go out and sign. So right now we just signed a 350 megawatt deal that we've got to supply. It's not in the US, it's outside the US that we've got to supply beginning in January of next year through, I want to say around like May.
Right.
So that, we're going to take a lot of our capacity and send it there. But on average, where we try to stay at is around 35-40% in the US and then the remaining elsewhere. But that's not a hard parameter. We can change as needed. Like I say, the goal is to build the demand here so we can finalize the factory here so we're able to service our customers from our modules here. And then, should we need to dip into the capacity from the India factory, we've got that available to us.